Welcome back, I'm Ron the Cook. Today is another Sunday side dish, and we're gonna focus on carrots today. Carrots are such a versatile vegetable, and they go from late spring all the way until early fall. So you truly have most of the year to enjoy them. I'm gonna show you how to make a bourbon glazed carrot using Brothers Bond cask proof. This bottle comes in at 57.04%. For our ingredients, we're gonna need 1 pound of carrots, 2 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of bourbon, 1 teaspoon of Muscovado sugar, 2 tablespoons of Chile Flake, 1 tablespoon of buttery steakhouse from Kinder's, and 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. So I got some beautiful organic carrots here. We're just gonna give them a gentle peel. Now, if you don't want to peel them, all you have to do is scrub them with a green Brillo pad under some cold water. Now, there's a lot of ways we can cut these, but today I'm gonna go with a nice bias. Not too thick, not too thin. When you get to the end here, where you have the root, just cut it off. Cutting the carrots like this is gonna give us a lot of surface area, so we get some nice caramelization on all sides. Now that is all the knife work we have to do. Now if you want to add another element to this dish, feel free to use some red onions. Nice and sweet, crisp. It'll add another dimension to this. Got my wok here. Gonna add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Have my heat set to 375 or about a medium high. So be careful when you're doing this. Don't burn yourself. Drop in our carrots. Give them a nice toss. Now right off the bat, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm adding the salt right in the beginning because it's gonna help draw some of those sugars to the surface from the carrots and really help them caramelize quicker. And every minute or two, give them a toss. You can see we're starting to get a little bit of color on our carrots. We want just a little bit more in there before we start with our next step. Let's give that another toss. At this point, we're gonna check our doneness. Just give them a little press. If they still obviously feel hard, they're not done yet. All right, they're almost there. You're gonna need about 2 more minutes of cooking. So they've been going for about 5 minutes now. All right, our carrots are almost done. So now, for the fun part, our bourbon. Got 3 tablespoons. Word of caution, if you're using a gas stove, pull the carrots off the stove before adding in your bourbon. Then place them back down gently and set back because most likely there will be a flame. With induction, I really don't have to worry about it. Our bourbon. Oh yeah, that smells amazing. Now for our honey, I'm just using a local organic honey. Give that a stir. Now for our spices and our Muscovado sugar. Break up that sugar if you have to. Muscovado has a tendency to clump up. Just keep stirring, keep stirring. And when all your liquid is now evaporated, we're gonna add in our vinegar. Now kill our heat. And now we're ready to plate. Right into the center here. I'm making a mess. All right, let's push that in. Let's get a little cleanup on this plate, make it look professional. Let's pretend like I know what I'm doing. And there are our bourbon glazed carrots. And now for the taste test. Ooh yeah, you can smell that bourbon on there. A little smoke to it, sweetness. The honey comes through. That buttery steakhouse, it's amazing. And those chilies. Oh yeah. You get a little touch of garlic from the buttery steakhouse. Good amount of heat. Just enough to let you know there's chilies in there. Nice tender carrots with just a little bit of bite at the end. A beautifully simple recipe. If you made this recipe at home, let me know how it came out for you and what you would change. Now, if you want to check out the rest of my Sunday side dishes, click right there. And if you want to check out some of my cocktails on Thirsty Thursdays, click on up there. Until next time, I'm Ron the Cook.